number 13.
Question number 13 you have.
On
That's
what,
right. Huh?
on what sum will the compound interest?
Question number 13. Question number 13. At what sum
Will the compound interest
CIA
for 2 years at 4%?
for 2 years for
2 years at 4%.
at
4%
4%
per annum.
per annum
B.
annum
B 5,712.
P
5,712 rupees.
5,712 rupees. Is this so?
Yes, sir.
This is the question.
Yes, sir.
So we have to find for what sum, right? Now we go for A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. So we get 5,712 is equal to P bracket 1 plus four upon 100 raised to the power 2. Right? This is 25 times 4 becomes 100. So we get 25 here. So we get 5, 7, 1, 2 is equal to P bracket 26 upon 25 whole square. Right? Now we can write 5,712 is equal to P bracket 676 upon 6 to 5. Is this so? Right?
Yes, sir.
So now how much you get here? You bring it becomes 5,712 into 6 to 5 upon 676 is equal to P. Right? So when you divide this 5,712 by 6,706, then what happens?
तो 6 कटेंगे नहीं.
One time it will not go. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
If I take it 8 times, 6 times 8 becomes 48. We get 4. 8 times 7 times 8 becomes 56. 4 60. 0 6. It is 8 times 6 becomes 48 and 6 54. Right? So this is we borrowed from 1 here 0 12. 12 minus 8 becomes 4. Here is 0. Here is 3.0. Now this is correct. 5712.
Yes, sir. 5,712. 5712. 2 years or 4% per annum.
We go by 4. 4 times 4 becomes 24. We get 2 here. 4 28 30. 0 3 here. 27. Right? We got 3 here. Here is 6 2 3.0. Right? Then with 4 it is 2704. Again we take 5 here. 10 minus 6. Then 5 from 2 here. 12 5.0. Now it is not going. Okay. We divide it by 2. 3 times 2 6. 3 times 1 becomes 3 and 8. And here 1 3 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 becomes 4. 2 times 2 becomes 4. 2 times 8 becomes 16. 5 and 6. Okay, we divide it by 2. So 1 0 and 9. And here is 1 4 2 8. Right? Now principal is 1428 into 625 upon 109. Now 1428 divided by 109. 109, it becomes 312. It becomes 12 minus 9 becomes 3, 3, 8. Now 5712 divided by 676. जा रहे थे. It will not terminate easily. Right? 1428 divided by 109. It will again not go very fine. So 5712 multiplied by 625 divided by 676. It is 5,281 rupees and 6 paisa. What is your answer?
So 70,000 is coming. 2.213. So 70,000.
70,000? How it can be possible, man?
Sir, ये 2.2 का 13.
You people cannot read the question. Question दिखाओ इधर. On what sum will compound interest for 2 years? अरे यार ये compound interest लिखा हुआ है. At what sum CI for 2 years at rupees per annum? B 5712. It's not amount, yaar. CI is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 2 minus 1. So 5, 7, 1, 2 is equal to P bracket 1 plus 4 upon 100 raised to the power 2 minus 1. It becomes 25, 26. So 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 2 is equal to P bracket 26 upon 25 whole square minus 1. So 5, 7, 1, 2 is equal to P bracket 676 minus 625 upon 625. Now it is 676 minus 625. 1 and 5. 51 is here. 5, 7, 1, 2 is equal to P into 51 upon 625. So P is equal to 5, 7, 5, 7, 1, 2 into 625 upon 51. Now 5, 7, 1, 2, 5, 7, 1, 2 upon 51. It's 51. It is 6 and 1. Now again 1. 51. 1, 0, 2. Takes 2. 2, 0, 10. So it is 112. Now P is equal to 112 into 625. How much you will get? 625 into 112. 2 times 5 becomes 10. We get 1. 2 times 2 becomes 4, 1, 5. And 2 times 6 becomes 12 into 5, 2, 6 into 5, 2, 6. 0. 5 plus 5 becomes 10. 0, 1. This is again 5. 2 plus 2 becomes 4, 1, 5 and 5, 10. 1. It is 8 to 10, 1. So P is equal to 70,000. This is the question we have. Basically it is given as CI. It is given as CI. And we have to find, from CI we have to find the principal. I was thinking it is amount. So this is given as is compound interest. Compound interest is given as. This was question number 13. Now come to question number 21. Come to 16. Come to question number 16. What is question number 16?
A sum compounded annually
The sum compounded annually
becomes 25 upon 16
25
upon 16 times
25 upon 16 times
of itself in 2 years
of
itself in 2 years
in 2 years.
determine the rate of interest
2 years. Determine
the rate of interest
rate of interest
per annum
rate of interest per annum. Right? This is the question we have.
Yes, sir.
Is sum compounded annually becomes 25 by 16 times of itself. Let principal be x and amount is equal to 25 upon 16x. Right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, fine. So A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 2. Right? So what you can write here, 25 upon 16x is equal to x bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 2. Right? R upon raised to the power 2. So this x and x is cancelled out, and if I take 25 upon 16 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power 2, taking root over square root both sides. So it becomes 5 by 4 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100. This comes on this side. So it is 5 upon 4 minus 1 is equal to r upon 100. So we take 4 as an LCM. So 5 minus 4 becomes r upon 100. So it becomes 25. So r is equal to 25% per annum. You get it? Check the answer.
$25.
So get this 25%. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We next after that keep a scale there, na? So you can easily reach to answer sheet. Every time you are turning pages, come to question number 18. It was 16, na?
Yes, sir.
Come to 18.
So add rupees 40,000.
Hmm?
So add rupees 40,000 amount.
At rupees 40,000.
Amounts to rupees
Amounts to rupees
48,620.
48,620.25
0.25 in 2 years.
in 2 years.
Compound interest
Compound interest.
payable half year.
Compound interest payable
Half year. Half
payable
yearly.
half yearly.
Yes, sir. Find the rate of interest.
Half yearly. Find
The rate of interest
the rate of interest
per annum.
rate of interest
Per annum.
per annum. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why not you are writing all this, man? What is amount? What is principal? So here is principal is equal to 40,000, right? Amount is equal to 48,620.25 time is equal to 2 years. R we have to find half yearly. Right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you do? we can write A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 200 raised to the power 2n, right? So what happens? It is 48,620.25 divided by 40,000. This principle I came on here. It's 40,000 is equal to 1 plus R upon 200 raised to the power 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yawning? Right?
Yes, sir.
So you remove these two zeros here. So divide it by 5. Last at the end we have 5, na?
Yes, sir.
So it will be divisible, and here is 0, so it can be divisible by 5. So if we go by 5, it becomes 9 times 45, 7 times 35, 2 times 405 upon 8 to 5, right? You get this?
Yes, sir.
Now 9,72,405 divided by 8 lakh is equal to 1 plus R upon 200 raised to the power 4, right? Again we divide by 5, then how much you get? 1,9,4 1 time 5. So 9 minus 5 becomes 4, 7. 9 times 5 becomes 45. So 47 minus 45, 2. 4 times we have taken 2. 22. So we take 4, 20. फिर we take 2, फिर 4, फिर 8, then 1. And here it is 1, taken 1, 3, 6, right? After that 40. It is, अगर इसको हम लिख लें 20 raised to the power 4,
20 raised to the power 4.
so it becomes 20 raised to the power 4. So we get 1,60,000, right? If you write this, 20 whole power 4, and for this 194481, this is 1. So how much we will bring it? 1, when you get 1, 3, huh? 6 times 3 becomes 18, 4 times 3 becomes 12, 6 times 3 becomes 24, 2 times 3 becomes 6, and 7 times 3 becomes 21. Again we divided by 3. So we get how much? 2 times 3 becomes 6, 1 time becomes 2 times 2 becomes 6, 1 times 3 becomes 4. Huh? Three eights out.
So
24.
64827. 64827.
64827 आएगा. Yeah. Now it is 3 times 2 becomes 6. 3 times 1 becomes 3. 6, 0, 9. Again you divide it by 3. It is how much? 7, 2, 0, 3. Again you divide it by 3. 2, 4, 0, 1. You get this?
Yes, sir.
Now 4 times 3 हो गया.
So 3 is 6480.
Now 2401 divided by 7. 3 times 7 becomes 21. 4 times 3 becomes 4 times 7 becomes 28. So 30 minus 28 becomes 2. So again 3 times. This is again divided by 7. So you get 7, 4 times 28, and 9 times 63. 7 times 7 is equal to 7, and 7 times 1 is equal to 1. Right? It means it will be 21 raised to the power 4, because 3 is this, 3 is the pair of 3. 3 is 4 times, 7 is 4 times, so 3 times 2 becomes 3 times 7 becomes 21, so 21 4 times, right? So what we can do here now, we can write here 21 raised to the power 4, 21 upon 20 raised to the power 4 is equal to 1 plus r upon 200 raised to the power 4. Taking both side root 4. Both side taking root 4. Both side taking root 4. So we get 21 upon 20 minus 1 is equal to r by 20. Oh, R by 200. Right?
Yes, sir.
So you get 21 minus 20 upon 20 is equal to R upon 200. So it becomes 10. And this is 1. Right? So therefore, rate of interest is 10%. Rate of interest is 10%. You get this?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
10%. Yes, sir.
10%. Okay. What next you have after that? 20.
Yes, sir. 20.
Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, at what rate percent?
Question number 20.
Yes, sir.
Yes, question number 20 we have.
At what rate percent
At what rate percent?
PA?
Huh?
At what rate percent per annum
Huh.
compound interest?
Per annum.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Compound interest
CI
would rupees 80,000
becomes
rupees 8 would rupees 80,000.
80,000.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Amount to rupees 88,200.
CI becomes 80,000.
Yes, sir. CI would 80,000.
Okay.
Amount to
Amount to amount to
88,200.
88,200
200 in 2 years.
in 2 years.
Interest
Hmm.
interest being compounded
Rate of interest.
being compounded
हाँ बोलते हो
yearly. Interest being compounded yearly.
interest yearly.
Also find the amount after 3 years. Also find the amount after 3 years at the above rate of compound interest.
First found the rate of interest, rate percent, then find amount in 3 years on same rate, on same
After 3 years.
days after same rate percent. Oof. Let me read this first. What you are saying, man?
Above rate.
Something seems to be fishy. CI. कौन सा है?
20. ठीक है.
At what rate percent? At what rate percent 80,000 will amount to 88,200 in 2 years? Question is this. It is not CI. So principal is 80,000
Amount
and amount is
88,200.
88,200. So what do you do, man? You will do
So 80,000 upon 88,200.
A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n, na?
Yes, sir.
No, it's 2 years. 2 years. So it is 88,200 upon 80,000 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 whole square. This 0 and 0 is cancelled. Right?
Yes, sir. Sir, 2 0. Sir, 2 0. No.
Two zeros are cancelled. इसको तुम 2 times 4 becomes
8.
8. So 400, and this is 2 times 4 becomes
8.
2 times 4 becomes 8, na? Or here 2 times 4 becomes 8 and 2 times 1 becomes 1. So you get 221 upon 200 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 2. Right? It is becomes 21 upon हाँ ठीक है. Sorry. Four times 2 becomes
8.
8. So here is 400, and here 2 times 4 becomes 4 times 2 becomes 8. 4 times 2 becomes 8, and 1 time 2 becomes 2. Right? So it will come 441 upon 400. Right? So we take here 21 upon 20 whole square is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 2. Up taking square root both sides, it becomes 21 upon 20 minus 1 is equal to R upon 100. So you take 20 here, it becomes 21 minus 20 is equal to R upon 100, right? So it becomes 1 times 5. So rate of interest is equal to 5%, right? You get this 5%?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you get this. After that, what we have?
21.
Hmm?
21.
No. We have to find the amount in the third year. Right?
Yes, sir.
So we can do it like this. Should I now? 82 is equal to how much? 88,200, right?
Yes, sir.
For third year. For
Third year.
third year. Huh?
For third year.
For third year, A2 is equal to 88,200 is equal to P3, right?
Yes, sir.
Now interest for the 3 year is equal to 88,200 into 5 into 1 upon 100.
Yes, sir.
So this is cancelled out, and I3 is equal to 2 times 5 becomes 10, 0, 1. 5 and now 8 times 5 becomes 40, and 141 and 4, right? 4. And 5 times 8 times 5 becomes 40, and 4 44. Interest is this much, I3. So A3 is equal to P3 plus I3, right? So how much you are getting? That is 88,200 plus 4410, right? So it is 0, 1, 4 to 6, 4 plus 8 becomes 12, 1 there, 9. 92,610 rupees. Check the answer. Amount for the third year.
92,610.
You get here 92,610.
Yes, sir.
So this is we have for the third year amount,
Third year.
right?
Yes, sir.
So okay then. Thank you.